All right, what you're looking at is the replacement Stiebel Eltron Tempera Trend 24 tankless water heater. That is the previous model. That was a plus one, but the new plus has 3 of the little heating elements, so you need 3 50 amp circuits to supply this puppy. I said no joy, I'm not doing that, so I just went with the Tempera Trend, which is a 1-to-1 replacement. Still has the 2 heating elements in it. It's the Trend model, not the Plus model. I don't really need that flow control crap. In my attitude, as with cars and that, you want the less gadgets, the better. The less things that can break. So this was about $600 tax, everything shipped to me from the Home Depot. Got it from the Home Depot. I always timestamp when I install these things just so I know. I did it on that one too. So that lasted about, let's see, 7.5 years that one lasted. I have low hard water here. They treat the city of Florida here treats the water, so it's medium to low hard water. So there really wasn't much scaling. I even popped it apart and looked. It just failed. I think the motherboard failed, which sucks because the cost of replacement isn't worth it. But the motherboard, I think it got fried. Anyway, these things require two 240s coming in, 50 amp. So if you are having trouble with any appliance in your house and you're not sure why, my pro tip is to always check the source of the power. Like this requires 2 circuits. Both have to be 240. I popped it open and I'm not going to do it here. I don't want to mess with the thing that's working. But check each one with your voltmeter and look up on YouTube University on how to do that. It's not that hard. Just be careful. It's electricity. And you should have 240 coming on L1, L2. And on the second circuit, L1, L2 should be 240. The second circuit in that old, this new unit I put in wasn't. I'm like, oh, I thought I had a bad unit. I'm like, God, and I called around and said, oh, check your 240. I did at the box here. It was only one circuit was. So I went out to the circuit breaker box and voila. This puppy right here. I have a General Electric 60 amp. This is old. I mean, this thing's been in there since, my gosh, probably 15 years. It's an old circuit breaker. So this one's bad. I went out and I put the voltmeter to check right here on the 2 screws. Popped open the cover. Be very careful. It's live electricity, right? And I was getting 0 out. So one of these was bad. I wasn't getting 240 out. Again, it's 2 circuits. This is the second circuit breaker. The other one was still fine. I write bad on it. I popped this out. I went to Home Depot online, and usually they tell you how many they have in stock. It didn't say. You can order it. So I ordered it, and they're going to ship it. It's shipping right now. I'm like, Then I went to the store yesterday for something else, and I looked. And they had this in stock, the replacement. It's now the new brand. Oh God, what is it? BBB, ABB, or I can't remember. GE. They were purchased. Someone purchased the GE commercial residential side, so it's branded BBBB or something. So this one's bad. Popped it out. Loosened the screws up first. The hardest part I had, again, YouTube University helps. I popped it out. Made sure the main breaker was off on the. It was an auxiliary electrical box for pull stuff and crap, yard stuff. Popped it off. The hardest part was getting the 6 AWG into those things. That was a pain for some reason. I don't know if the new breakers have a little smaller opening, but got it in. Didn't over torque the wires. Double checked my work. Double checked my fingers. And popped it back on. Boom. Came in. There's the thing. THQL, GE, 60 amp. Anyway, popped it in, got the digital display, and then it lights up when you run water through, and voila, that was it. So, same thing happened to me last year. On my outside compressor unit on my HVAC. I was like, what could it be? Is it the capacitor? Is it the other switch thing? I'm there troubleshooting. I'm getting juice. I'm like, what is it? It's hot. It's hot. I did not check the disconnect switch breaker. It's a breaker. It's not just a slide switch. Check that. Damn, same thing. I didn't know. I had to actually a local electrician pop out, He said, yeah, swapped it in exactly under 5 minutes. Voila, back up. And HVAC compressor was working again. So always, if you have a doubts on your big appliance stuff in your house, if things aren't acting right, check your source input. It could be a bad breaker. So 5-minute video just to say, check your breaker. Are you getting 240 or whatever required juice for your HVAC or your tankless water heater or what else? And just verify that first before you start chasing other things. But this is still bad. The board's bad. Anyway, so this hopefully will last more than a year. And hopefully this breaks 7 years. All right, there you go. Hope that helps.